the latest iPhone 17 Pro in silver, also available in the bigger Pro Max. By now you've probably seen it around everywhere, but have you seen it in the latest tech woven cases by Apple? In all the angles you need. Since the photos online just don't do it justice, I'll be fitting it in all 5 colors. I'll also be sharing my thoughts on it after 5 months of use. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. First up is blue. Definitely like wallpapers with darker tones with this, and you can mix it with light tones too because of the silver edges. Apple's cases have also never failed to show off the phone's color on all sides. This includes the front of the case towards the edge. Things you'll notice, the buttons are darker than the rest of the case, and the sides of a subtle micro texture you could definitely feel. It actually helps with a grip. Blue and silver displays a clean and neutral contrast. The light aluminum paired with the darkness of blue. A great everyday combination. The silver iPhone works perfectly on all colors. But to be honest, since the phone's material is aluminum now, that may or may not bug you, since it's not as premium as titanium or stainless steel from the past. There it is. Purple. It's actually a darker purple, even next to the purple silicone case. So you get that awesome contrast with silver, even more being darker and slightly toned down than blue. A bit darker in person. I tried my best to darken it post-edit. A beautiful purple that's not too intense, so you can use it daily. You get a thicker texture in the back, which is very satisfying to touch. There's that textured edge, keeping my phone from slipping away, and my fingers from accidentally pressing the camera control button. The color between warm and cool. Also contrasting with the edge of the silver iPhone. I feel like a subtle purple you could use often. This is the case to go. By the way, shopping links are in the description. Green. More of a grassy green, having that drop of yellow to keep it a mid-tone. I like how the camera control button's covered and your swiping gestures still transfer. For that convenient zoom, which honestly I've turned off, but a lot of people don't even know it's there. It also seems like people don't use it much. What do you think? It's a mid-tone next to the light tone of silver, so together it's technically the lightest combo of the bunch. Beating Sienna, only by a hair though. I like how the darker buttons add depth to it. As an earth tone, it looks good with wallpapers of nature. Here's a couple of them. Black. You can never go wrong with it. It looks good with all iPhone colors, and I'll have a video for each of those. Straight up contrast with this phone. Still neutral with silver, keeping it minimal and practically matching anything around it. I must say, tech woven cases are probably the most durable cases Apple's made so far. Super scratch resistant too, especially the back with the thicker weaving. And I like how light reflects off the dark fabric, bringing out the texture. It doesn't chip like the silicone cases when you drop it. It's like the complete opposite of their first attempt with the fine woven cases of the 15 Pro era. Great job on the quality, Apple. Sienna. My favorite and most used of all of them, because it's the most earthy of them all, being closest to brown. It's light but has a hint of red. Beautifully done. And together with silver, it matches so many things. Tech woven isn't the thinnest nor the thickest case, so it gives moderate protection. The texture definitely shows more on light colors like these. Here's some more matching wallpaper so you see how flexible it is. With Sienna's earth tone and silver's neutrality, it's another practical, everyday combo. Overall, these tech woven cases feel like what Apple was trying to do before, but finally got it right. You're getting durability, moderate drop protection, and a texture that actually improves the grip without looking bulky. After about 5 months of use, they've held up extremely well, especially compared to the old fine woven cases. My personal ranking from most used to least used: Sienna first, then blue, green, black, and purple last. But honestly, there's one here for every mood and every outfit. If you want something premium, different from silicone, and more durable than you'd expect, these are definitely worth considering. I hope this helped you choose. If it did, like the video, and let me know in the comments which color you'd pick. Subscribe for more. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.